You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more names from Greek mythology, I've got many more videos you'll want to listen to and learn from. English pronunciation here, we're talking about, not Greek. Aegeus is how to say it. It's actually pretty easy once you know. You can replace the AE at the beginning with just an E, so it's E-G, it's a soft G, not G, Aegeus. Stress on that first E syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Aegeus, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.